Now this is how you can create a new layer in a CapCut on your iPad. Let's get started. If you are new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials like this one. Well, you can open up your CapCut like that, and by default when you import more clips into the timeline, they're going to be ordered in like succession next to each other. And if you want to just lay them on the top of each other, what you need to do is to select the clip you want to put on the top, right? And you then basically select it for the options to appear. And from the buttons below, you click on the overlay, which are like these crossed arrows. And then the video will be placed on the top of your previous video. So you can of course move it around. You can make it smaller to make the video visible below or whatever you need to do, but right now you have them laying on the top of each other. Obviously you can also do it with other photos as well, so you can kind of like add two different layers of the video clips and edit them in that sense. A lot of people use it for the background removal, so if you have some green screen footage, this is ideal because you can layer it on the top and then delete the background so you only have the subject visible. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I wanted to show you in this video. In case you have any additional questions, let me know about those below in the comments. Most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later.